Hi, I'm Ipshita. Welcome to another video. Today I'll be going to do some cute Christmas nails, and that too in the Easy Girls method. Now why I call it Easy Girl, that I'll tell you later, but initially let us just get into the video. Now I am applying Vanillisa's gel polish on each of the nail tips and will cure it for 60 seconds in between. I am giving 2 coats of it. And then I will do some hand painted nail art on all of these nail tips. But those will be of Christmas, cartoonish, cutish and very Swedish type of nails. So let's see what we are going to do, but at this moment I am totally confused. I don't know what's happening in YouTube. Now, before starting my channel, I went on repeatedly researching on how to grow my channel and how to present a video before uploading it. Now, it's not that I have stopped researching now. Day in and day out, I go on doing that. I follow the SEO and then I do the title, then I do the descriptions and then I use the tags. But still my video does not get any views. I am neither getting any views nor my subscribers are increasing. Now what to do? Then again I follow the Creative Insider channel, that is YouTube's official YouTube channel, and I went through it and I got to know that you have to do some short videos to get more subscribers. So I went on doing some short videos and just to see whether my subscriber increases. But how will it increase if people doesn't see it? How will it increase? Neither my short videos are working, neither my long videos are working. Oh, I'm just frustrated. I don't know what to do. Any idea, my friends? Can you help me? I am totally confused. I can't understand what to do. Now again I went into that channel, Creative Insider, and then reviewed many of their videos. Then I came to know that they are saying that when you are going to do your video, do it with full energy. Now we always do it with full energy. We love you guys, and I love you guys, and to show you what I have learned, I do the videos. It's not just getting my channel monetized. I love to share my work with you all. I love to show what I have done, what I am doing. But one thing, now I have that energy, but today the pace I'm talking in is a different me totally. I am really overexcited to speak in this manner. Why, because my mother tongue is not English. So we are not so fluent in English, because always we talk in our mother tongue and when required we talk in English. So that is one of the biggest point, and practice makes it perfect. So we are not practicing always in speaking in English. We always speak in Bengali, means that's my mother tongue. But still, when we are walking, when we are doing the video, we are talking in English. So our English won't be as fluent as you people's are. Okay, that is one point. Another point, I initially was an advocate of Calcutta High Court, and there we were not allowed to speak in any other language other than English. All the submissions we made were made in English. Together with that, we were not supposed to speak loudly, and we were not supposed to speak in a fast manner, okay, because we were all provided with microphones. Now I have been practicing for quite a long time, and together with that, my father was a Justice of Calcutta High Court. So I have to go according to the rules and regulations of my profession. And day in and day out, we were practicing to talk like that way. I mean, we were not practicing, we were habituated to speak in that way. We were habituated to speak softly. We were habituated to convince the judge and the client very in a soft tone and in a steady, slow manner, and that habit automatically got into myself, and automatically, even in my daily affair, I talk in that way. Now, how to change that habit in one day, you tell me? But still I'm trying my level best to change myself for you guys, because I love you guys. I want to reach to you. I want to be with you all. I want you all to see my videos, my work, my hard work, and what you love. I want to show what you love and want to explain it and make the video interesting. So I always try to speak in that way, but I find that my videos are going in a good speed, going in a good pace rather, but it is the speaking, means the voice which I'm giving behind, the voiceover, or when I'm doing the direct video with my voice on. Sorry, I was scratching my head, so the noise will come automatically in the microphone. So that when I'm doing that, I find that that habit is still persisting. But for you guys, I will change. You know that I love you guys, and to be with you guys, I will change my 13 to 14 years of habit of speaking softly and slowly and steadily. No, I'm not going to do it again. Now, from this moment, I'll be speaking with full energy, with full enthusiasm. Yes, enthusiasm. And I will see that what the the creative insider people are saying, that you have to be with full energy. Let's see if it works or not. By the way, can you give me some idea that what I should do to increase my views and to get more subscribers? Now, I told you that I'm not bothered about getting my channel monetized, but I am really bothered, so I'm confused. Anyway, but I have a challenge to make myself, that I will go on making videos. I will see that how many days it takes to reach to your mobile phones and to reach to you people whom I loved. And actually, you people are my teacher. I have learned nail art from you all. It's not that I have gone to any organization or any school. I have learned nail art from YouTube, and that story one day I'll tell you. Now, getting back to my video. Why I call this technique Easy Girls Method? Because you are taking a full nail tip and doing anything, a gel paint or acrylic, polygel, hard gel, whatever you are doing it with both of your hands. add. I would suggest you that you do the full nail and file it and buff it, then you prep your nails. After prepping your nails, you apply the acrylic on your nail or behind the nail tip, where I will show you that how to file the back side of the nail. I won't show you, I will just demo it to you. And after applying it on your nail tip, you again file properly your cuticle region to make the nail flush with your cuticle area, so that it doesn't look like a press-on nail. By the way, my nails are not prepped. They are shiny because I have put a peel of base coat, as I will be popping up the nails after the video. Now, my nails got cured completely. They were cured for 60 seconds and the matte look I have given because of its cartoonish character. See, everything is cartoonish. So now see here, I am showing you that you have to prep your nails and then etch the inner side of the nail tips, and then you apply acrylic and then you put it on your nail tips. Now I am taking all the nails out. Now I'll be using a clear acrylic with some monomer, and we'll take a bead, let it polymerize and then apply it on the inner side of the nail tip. Otherwise it will be runny. So after doing this, see, I'll be applying it, putting it on my nail tip. I'll be holding it tightly, firmly for a few seconds, and once it sets, I will release it and then I will clean the cuticle area, the side walls, with a cuticle pusher or a toothpick or a wooden stick or anything you may use. And this way, this is the reason it is a very easy method. And believe me, the nails will last you for more than 3 weeks. It will last you for 4 weeks also, even more than 4 weeks, because unless and until you file it off or you soak it off, it won't come out. Believe me, I have done it. I know it. I have experimented it. Then only I am telling you this. So try this method. Now back to my confusion. I'm still confused. I don't know. Means I have challenged myself. I have gone through so many things, and I made some promises to myself. Everything I have done, but still I'm confused. So I would ask you to please help me. If you can, give me any suggestions. If my videos are going wrong, I am not presenting it properly to you. So what is the reason behind it? Just I want to know it. I want to know my flaws. Once I know my flaws, I can rectify it. So please let me know, my dear friends. You guys are my only we in Bengali we can say ashar alo, means that you are the only people who can judge me. And because you are seeing the video, I'm making the video, but you are seeing the video, so you people only will judge me. So I'll wait for your comments. Now let's take the reveal shots of my nails. So back to the screen. So how did you like my nails? And thank you for bearing with me till the end of this video. I was speaking so much frustration, I just vomited everything, Anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, goodbye and be safe.